We are now ready to add image attributions for the images that we used earlier in our services section. I'm going to add these in small text right above the footer of the home page. At the very bottom of my home page, I'm going to click on the blue plus icon to add a new section. Then I'll click on Regular to add a regular section. Next, it prompts me to insert a row. This is going to be a simple line of single text, so I'm going to click on the very first image here, which is a row with a single column. Then it prompts me to insert a module. Just type text into the search box and then click on the text image. Now all I need to do is input the proper text. Back on the flat icon website, you can copy the sample attribution text and then paste and match style. Now we need to update this text to add in the authors and links for each of our images. If you followed along with the tutorial, you should have these names and links saved in your content template. I'm going to remove this placeholder and then copy in the first author name. I'll paste that in, and then I'll copy the other two names. Now I need to add a link to each author. So I'll grab the first author link from my content template and copy it. Back on my website, I'm going to select the text for the first author, and then click on the little icon that looks like a chain link. This will pop up a link dialog box. I'm going to paste in the URL that I just copied. The target field here allows you to choose to open the link in a new window. Generally, you want to set your links to open in a new window if they are sending the user outside of your website. So I'll choose New Window in this dropdown and hit OK. Same exact process for the other two links. Copy the URL, select the text and paste it in, choose New Window, and click OK. Now I'm going to change the text at the end here just a little bit. I'm going to remove this flat icon URL and just call this flat icon. Then select that text, copy the URL for flaticon.com, paste it in, and select Open in a new window. Hit the check mark and you can scroll down the page to see how it's looking. And this looks okay, but there's a couple of problems I'd like to fix. First, I want these links to be in my emerald green color, not blue. And second, there is way too much space here. So first, I'll show you how to fix the spacing issue. Hover over the section and click on the settings icon, then click on the design tab. Expand the spacing dropdown and change the top and bottom custom padding to 0. And when you do that, you can see that the extra space disappears. So hit the check mark and save the page. Now let's fix the color of these links. Head back to your content template and copy the highlight color. Then open your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Appearance and click Customize to open the customizer. On the right side of the page, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom so I can keep an eye on these links as I update them. Next, I'll click on General Settings and then click Typography. Scroll down a little bit and you can see this body link color, which is right now set to blue. Click on that color and paste in your hex value. Now if you take a look on the right, you can see the link colors have changed. Finally, click Publish to save those changes. So while we're in the customizer, let's also fix the color of these navigation links up in the navigation bar. Back on the main page of your customizer, click on Header Navigation, and then click on Primary Menu Bar. Scroll down a little bit and we want to change the active link color. So I'll just click on it and paste in my hex value. While I'm at it, I'm also going to change the drop-down menu line color. We actually aren't using that right now, but just in case I use it in the future, I'm going to change it. So I'll click Publish, and you can see that my navigation now has my emerald green color. And with that, we are completely done with the main content for the home page. Give yourself a pat on the back for making it this far. Up next, I'm going to show you how to edit the footer of your site.